Welcome back, everyone. Again, my name is Mike, and I am the Director of the Diabetic Management and Education Program and the Inpatient Amputee Rehabilitation Program and Outpatient Support Group at Momentum at South Bay of Paragon Health. I hope you have enjoyed the videos posted on our Paragon YouTube channel so far. Today, I'm going to discuss with you about getting started and maintaining an exercise program. Getting started on an exercise program is so important, as it will help you decrease your risk for heart disease, decreasing blood pressure, assists in weight loss, and helping to keep your blood sugar levels at healthy levels. In addition to all of the health benefits, exercise helps you feel focused, alert, decreases stress, and have more energy throughout the course of your day. You should choose an exercise and exercise plan that interests you, one with an activity that you truly enjoy doing, that you have fun doing. If you don't like what you're doing, you won't stick with the program. Sticking with any exercise program over the long haul is where the benefits will really stick and you'll see the gains. For example, I love running. I get jealous when I'm driving somewhere, see people running along the roads or trails, and I'm not out there with them. Waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning for a long run, watching the sunrise, is a perfect way to start the weekend. That being said, it is torture for me to jump into a pool and swim laps. For me, there's nothing worse than that. And do keep in mind that the original treadmill was invented for use in the prisons as a form of hard labor, so my sport of choice is definitely not for everyone. Have fun with your exercise. It doesn't even have to be exercise as commonly thought of. Take up gardening, go dancing, even just starting with daily walks around the block. If you haven't been exercising regularly, the key here is simply getting started and forming a routine. Once you find the activity that you love and make it part of your regular routine, it becomes part of you and easy to maintain. Read any fitness magazine, and at some point through their pages, you'll read how it's harder to bail on your exercise if you have a buddy. Team up with a friend, your family, neighbor, and make a schedule to meet up for your sessions. It's tough to not roll out of bed in the morning if you know your friend is waiting on the corner for you. Having a workout buddy not only raises the fun, but may even get your competitive juices flowing as you try to go further or faster with someone pushing you along. You may also want to consider changing up your routine and try out new exercises and activities. All around your area, there are plenty of activities that are available year-round for you to try. Try taking local gym classes, dance classes, go skating, kayaking, find a mountain and hike up the side. By looking for new activities, you can keep things fresh and challenging. You may even find a new exercise to add to your routine to shake things up. You may find you have a hidden skill to show off next time to your family and friends. Exercising for 30 minutes a day is 2% of your day. Do you think you still don't have time to exercise? Look online and you'll find plenty of exercise routine starters that you can do in as little as 10 minutes a day. Small changes today can lead to big changes later. So don't even think you don't have time to start an exercise program. You really do. And the positive effects of getting started outweigh the long-term effects of not moving. Before you begin any exercise program, and especially if you have not been exercising, talk to your physician. Discuss safe exercise options and if there are any activities you may need to avoid while getting started. Talk about any pains you may feel while you're moving around, and if you have any joint or bone issues that may be an issue, as well as what effect some of your medications may have on your ability to exercise. You may need to time your activities around your medication schedule. Let's take a minute and go over some safety considerations when exercising. Don't jump right into high-intensity exercise without building up your body for that level of activity. Going through a good warm-up and cool-down before and after your session is a good idea to decrease the risk of injuries. You may need to avoid outdoor temperature extremes when exercising and consider exercising inside if inclement weather strikes. Make sure you are staying properly hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after you exercise. Be prepared to test your blood sugar when you are exercising and keep some good carbohydrates with you in the event of an episode of low blood sugar. you may want to consider wearing a medical identification bracelet or necklace that identifies you as a diabetic in case of an emergency. For the same reason, you should carry your cell phone with you so you can call for help if needed. Especially as you get started with your program, activities should be energizing but not overly difficult. As you get more active and more fit, you will be able to do more without overly fatiguing your system. When you exercise, make sure you're wearing proper socks and shoes, and check your feet for blisters, redness, or irritation after finishing your session. Do not keep wearing those sweaty clothes and socks after you complete your exercise, as this could lead to blisters and skin breakdown and an avenue for infection. Stop the activity or exercise if you feel excessive pain, lightheadedness, shortness of breath, or dizziness. If this happens, call your doctor and review with them what was happening before continuing to exercise. Once again, my name is Mike Verbsky, and I'm the Director of the Diabetic Management and Education Program and the Inpatient Amputee Rehabilitation Program and Outpatient Support Group at Momentum at South Bay of Paragon Health. If you have any additional questions about how to get started and maintain your exercise program, please reach out to the members of your healthcare team. For more educational videos presented by the team members of Paragon Health, please check out more at www.paragonhealthnet.com. Thank you for listening today, and I'll see you next time.